I'm Abigail, and I am 28 years old. The first accident, I believe it was 2 years ago. I was actually dropping off my daughter at school, and there was a lady behind me. She said by accident she let go of the brake, and it was a bump. I was fine then. I had no pain at all, but once I got home, it went downhill. It was terrible. I couldn't get up from bed. I couldn't bathe the kids. I would cry. It was just painful. I couldn't sit in the truck. I couldn't do anything. I was surprised because it was actually something so small. First thing I did was I called the insurance. They did tell me, they were confused. They didn't know what was going on, especially because it was just something so small. So I was actually very scared to hurt from my back or mess up my back just because I feel like I'm very young for that. I feel like I'm just 28 and I have a lot of back issues now. The second accident happened on June 14th. It was actually 3 days before my birthday. We're driving around. It was my sister, my kids, and myself. And we were on Westlake. We were parked waiting for the train to pass by. And he hit me from the back. Once I got the police report, I wasn't really too happy with what it said. I feel like they kind of blamed me in a way. So I actually tried to hire an attorney. I did go to this attorney and they told me there was something in the police report that he saw that he didn't really like, so he refused service.
Well, I'm Missy. I am an attorney at Baggett McCall. I have been there for 8 years. I don't think that the other firms don't see that there's a case. I think that they're just not willing to take the challenge. We are trial attorneys. We are not afraid to go try cases. We take every case knowing that we're probably going to be in front of a judge and a jury, and we're okay with that. Abigail was one of those cases. She had already gone to another attorney, and they thought, this probably isn't going to be able to worth it with the damage that they saw in her vehicle and the treatment she was getting. I saw a hurt mama with 2 hurt children, and I was going to do anything I could to get her compensated for that.
We decided to go in for a consultation. That's when I met one of the investigators.
I immediately thought, well, she's just like me, because she was a mama of 2 small children, and she seemed very stressed about the situation. Her case is a little unique because she had been in a car accident 3 months before, had been hurt, her and her daughter, and then 3 months later she found herself in the same bad luck again.
She's very understanding when it comes to being a mom. Obviously you get busy and then your everyday routine. I try to do everything for my kids. They are my first priority. I can't hold them much because of the pain that I have on my back. But she was very understanding and she's really great. She's very comforting. I would consider her kind of like a friend. She's a great person, and she has some great soul and energy that every time you come around, the room's full of positive energy.
And I felt like I was there to guide her, and we just had a great kind of open relationship like that.